To the channel. Today I want to show you a quick hack that you can use to identify a video before releasing it so that you can avoid copyrights on Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, TikTok, wherever you're going to be posting your videos to. So I'm currently editing this video on my phone that I'm going to post on my YouTube channel. Now there's this particular part where this video is completely empty. There's no sound. So I decided to add music, and I don't know if it's going to be copyrighted or not, but this is how you can check it out. So I come to sound and I see so many sounds right here. So you can pick any sound. This is TikTok, Capcut right now. This is on Capcut. So once you see that it has this icon like the diamond icon, just be rest assured that is gonna be a copyrighted sound. So it's not a free to use sound. You can use it, but you're not gonna be able to monetize it. And if you post to some platform like YouTube, you might get copyright strike. So what do you do next, or how do you go about this? So that's what I'm gonna be showing you. So I've already selected one. So if you see these ones that have sounds that don't have this diamond icon, then definitely you can use it without having a copyright strike. But we can still compare both and see which one is going to give us a strike. So I'm just going to pick this epic cinematic orchestra. So I'm going to select it. So I'll say this, I'll say plus, I hit the plus, so it's going to add. So we have like two sounds right here now. So I'm just going to push this one to the other side. So this is one we just added. We already have one before this. I'm just going to push this real quick. While I'm doing this, please, you guys should go ahead and subscribe to my channel if you haven't, so you can get more updates like this and other videos that I post on this channel right here. So I'm just going to adjust this. So this is sound we just added. So how do we check if we're going to be having a copyright strike or not on our video? So that's why we're here. So I'm just going to turn back. Make sure you're not highlighting anything, like you're not highlighting any content, be it video, photo, or audio or anything. So I'm just going to click out. So if you are here like this, you will see edits, audio, text, and all that on the bottom. So click on audio. So right here where you find the option to add sounds, extract sounds, and all that effects. So we'll switch to the left, like we slide to the left, you see copyright. So once you click on copyright right here, so you see you can export without issues, which it has checked for you. You can say there are two options to check. You can check copyright check for posting on TikTok, so you don't have a copyright strike there. And if you see for the bottom, it explains, say we will check your video for potential copyright issues on use non-commercial sound before you post on whatever. Yeah. So I'm going to click on recheck. So it says export without issues. But if you remember, this one had the option for copyright, so you have to be careful. So I'm just going to delete it. But let's say you did not check. If you use this copyright checker, you should be able to check if it's copyright or not. So I've already used this one, which is fine. This sound is what I want to use. If you remember, the sound is very popular online. So you're just going to hit on export. Now, this is what people don't also check when they're trying to export on Capcut. So I'll select my thumbnail. So I'll select the one I want to use. So it's I look for something that is catchy, something people want to see, something that will make people want to watch. So this might be a good clickbait. I'll say save. It's gonna save like an image. Also, when I export, when I want to post that, it's gonna be the first frame that's gonna be showing to everybody. So we'll click on all UHD again. So I'm gonna push it up a little bit more, so I can get a high quality of what I'm trying to export, right? Because I'm still going to re-edit it again. So I'll do this, I avoid copyright strike. So once you click on this, there you go, no copyrights. I hope this helped. If you did, let me know in the comment section. Smash the like button. My name is IMFO. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye for now.